Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit by Ceredwyn Macrae, and it's cup 1102-480_1398, and it's the 8x8 mini kit Porcelain Roses. You get 4 sheets in the kit, and it's for an 8x8 inch square card. You get the card front, sentiments, decoupage. You get an insert with a sentiment on, and an insert that's blank, as well as some mini cards as well. So I'd like to run through exactly what you get in the kit, and then we can go ahead and make the card. So the first sheet we have is the main card front. We also have the sentiment panels, and we have a blank one if you want to use your own message. Our second sheet is the decoupage that you can build up on the card front to make it look like it's a 3D image. Our third sheet is the insert that has a sentiment on that says, "I'm sending special greetings and a special wish your way for all life's best and finest things today and every day." We've also got a mini card as well. And then our last sheet is the blank insert panel and a second mini card. So I'll just show you the mini cards before I forget. So I've simply scored and cut out and then folded in half. So these will coordinate with the card itself, and you'll be able to use them as the gift tags with presents if you want a coordinated look. So let's make the card. I've got a blank 8x8 inch square white card, and I'm going to turn the card over, and I'm going to just simply use the blank insert panel on the back of the card. I've got double-sided adhesive tape on the back, and I'm just going to remove the carrier sheet from the tape so that I can stick the blank insert panel on the back of the card. So we'll turn it around the right way, and we'll position it where we want it to be, which is kind of central, like that, and then press it down. I've then taken the blank sentiment panel and I've put "Made by Anne-Marie" on it, because I think I would like, the person that I send this card to know that I've made it for them. Obviously you pop your own name in there, but I'm going to place this, shall we go centre, or shall we go, we'll go there, just below centre, and press down. So that's the back of our card, which is just going to give it an overall coordinated look. So now I can add the insert panel into the centre of our card. All I've done is cut out the insert panel. I've got double-sided tape on the back so that I can peel away the back of the tape, and then we can just position this where we want. Use whatever glue you're happy using, wet glue, tape runner, whatever you fancy. I use tape because it's quicker. So I'm just positioning this into the centre of the card and then pressing it down. There we go. Simple as that for our insert. So now we can concentrate on the front of the card. So this is the card front. Again, I've cut it out. I've got double-sided tape on the back and peeling the back of the tape away. There we go. I use quite wide double-sided tape for videoing. I do like the wider tape, but tape is tape. So, but just for me personally, I like the wider. So I can add the card front onto the front of the card, and when it's in position I can just press down, there we go. So it's stuck nice and well. Then we can start building our decoupage. And I'm thinking we'll go with the large section first. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm simply just going to position this on the card over the image that's already on the base of the card, like that. There we go. Press down. I've then got the glasses at one side that I'm going to add over the top of the decoupage, and at the other side, the decoupage at the top that we're going to add. So one's over and one's under. I've then got the second layer for the large flower at the front. 3D foam on the back again. Building up the image. Lay it over the previous layer like so. I've then got the flower in the corner. 3D foam on the back, so we can just add this over the previous layer. There we go. And press down. So we've got the glasses under the decoupage in the corner, but over the decoupage at the bottom, if that makes sense. So we've kind of layered them. Now the butterflies, I've taken both the large and the small. I've done the same with both of them. I've folded them, scored and folded them at either side of their body, so it gives them a little flat section, and where the flat section is, I've just put double-sided tape. But then at either side of the tape on the back of the wings, I've got 3D foam. So when I pop the butterfly onto the card, the body will sit flat, but the wings will be raised. So if you can see that. So the body sits flat here, but the wings are in the air. They'll go flat to go in an envelope, but then they'll come back up again when the person opens the envelope. I've done exactly the same for the slightly smaller butterfly as well. And we'll pop him on there. There we go. I've also got a sentiment that says Happy Anniversary. And I'm thinking I'm going to add this just in this blank corner. 3D foam on the back. And just pop that there. And press down. And that is our card finished. You can see that beautiful decoupage. The butterflies that look as though they're just ready to fly away. Our matching insert with our gorgeous sentiment. And the back of the card that just ties it all in nicely. And these are our two mini cards as well. So I'd just like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1102 48_1398, and it's by Ceredwyn Macrae. And you can search for any of Ceredwyn's designs by looking on Craftsuprint and searching Ceredwyn Macrae. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and all the other tutorials that I've brought to Craftsuprint. I hope they've helped with your creativity, and I would just finally like to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.